It's day 20 and I'm leaving school, so look at my feet. Yay, it's so exciting. There's a new cat. There's Amy. They're about to interact. Watch as they interact. That was cats interacting. I have not seen that cat before. I have not seen that cat before. It's a different cat. I think it's the neighbor's cat. What is that?
Is it a bug?
Gross! I think it's like a bug or dirt. Let's see if Amy's still there. Hey Amy. Why do you look so pissed off and confused? And Costin's downstairs. It's a bug. If you guess bug, you're wrong. If you guess seed, you might be correct. We're not sure what it is. But downstairs, Costin is there. And also, I have a candle in my room that makes it smell better. I can already smell it from here. This candle right here smells better than the one I got in here. It smells better than this.
Why are you recording?
And Costin is here. Hello. He's playing Minecraft.
No.
And I can't play Minecraft.
No.
I don't really like watching people chew gum and talk at the same time, so I spit up my gum. I still got these movies to watch right here, and I'm not gonna watch this until I watch the first two, because I don't think I want to watch Back to the Future 3 before watching Back to the Future 1 and 2. It might confuse me, but also might be kind of cool. See the other two after and say, oh, that's how that happened or something. I don't know. Costin?
Yeah?
I have to charge this camera.
Okay.
Yep, just thought I'd let you know.
Why?
Cool.
Wait, what? Why are you charging? You're charging the camera?
No, I gotta charge it. I have to.
Why are you telling me?
I just thought I'd tell you. Okay. Food. Eating food. Costin doesn't want me to film right now, but there's his food. There's his hands. Hey, Costin. You can't really see him.
Good.
Yeah.
Matt. I got a nose job. You guys can't see.
It's the sun. Sunset.
Oh, that's 2011.
A car?
Yeah.
Cool. That's
Why
Costin.
did you picture that?
Because it looks nice.
It's not that nice.
Look at the train tracks. I'm so artsy. Oh, I got hit by a train. The sun, cars passing by. Costin walking. And then there's the... I still can't show you because you're nose job.
Exactly.
Yeah. He's walking. There's a trail.
I think you got me.
No, I didn't.
I think you did.
Costin walking.
You got a nose job, guys.
Then there's me.
Matt!
Oh, I'm sorry. It's just okay. I landed it out. Come on, jeez.
There won't be no camera. We're gonna eat you.
Oh, jeez.
Give me this. Guess what? It's recording.
You're gonna help.
It's sitting on him.
There you are.
Ah.
Ow. Ow.
Well, I'm filming. Just show him your nice face. No, not rolling around. Man. Show me your forehead. Show it. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. He has my hoodie. Dun 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 dun. I'm getting a call or a text. I think it's a call. Yeah. Hello?
Trade you.
I'm walking home.
Trade you.
Oh yeah! Getting
I got you back. You're not mine. Sorry that happened. He's talking on the phone now. La 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 la. Now we're going home. I'm gonna watch movies, and now that I'm talking, you're probably really bored. That's probably all the excitement.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Hey, don't say that. Today I'm gonna watch The Breakfast Club. That's pretty much it. So good night. Goodbye. Again.